Well, we'll start with Trader Joe's, Ellis and Christine, one of the first nationwide chains to require masks for its customers and employees. Now, they're saying if the customers are vaccinated, they can go without. But as we've been reporting since this news broke yesterday, state and local health guidelines haven't yet caught up with the Fed's optimistic outlook. Trader Joe's taking a stand following the big announcement by the CDC Thursday. TJ is one of a growing number of national chains saying they'll follow those new guidelines, announcing customers who are fully vaccinated are not required to wear masks while shopping.
I'm vaccinated and I would love to not wear the mask.
Shoppers like Tina Carisi can't wait to ditch the mask, assuming the state and county health authorities follow up and approve it. Still, there are other questions.
How are they going to tell if people are vaccinated or not? I guess that's the biggest question.
For now, Trader Joe's says it's the honor system. They will not ask for proof. Not good enough for Eddie Aguilar. You're not comfortable taking it off?
No, I'm not, because I got family, so that's where
people just need to have it cleared up a little bit. Yeah, I feel like, because I feel like there might be a little bit of confusion about it.
For now, other supermarkets, department stores, drugstores say they're reviewing the CDC guidelines, and we still don't know about schools. This was Governor Newsom's response earlier today to questions about whether the state will follow the CDC.
There's a whole host of complexities that we all have to work through. We've been talking to other governors.
So yes, the CDC made the sweeping national pronouncement, but didn't really explain that local jurisdictions may be tougher.
Each county can then review it and release their own guidance. And so that is really, really confusing to people.
To experts like USC Keck's Dr. Rita Burke, who specializes in disaster preparedness, the federal government should have made things clearer.
Absolutely. And this was his challenge since the very beginning of this pandemic. The communication piece, in that it has, as we learn new things about the virus, the communication changes, and it's really important that our public health officials are clear in their messaging.
Confusion and mixed messaging on life or death matters, Alex and Christine. We've been saying it for a year and a half. Costco and Walmart have now joined TJ's in saying that fully vaccinated customers do not need to wear their masks. So what happens now? We wait for both the state and the county to revise their guidelines. As you know, Ellis and Christine, from listening to Governor Newsom earlier, he said they may have an update by the end of the day. We're still waiting.
Yeah, his word was late this afternoon, so it's not clear exactly what late this afternoon means. So for the folks at Trader Joe's, in the meantime, are the employees then still having to wear their masks?
Right. The employees are still having to wear their masks, from the latest information from the company. This applies to customers. That's the plan going forward at this point. And based on past experience, I think you might agree this could be a contentious, maybe even a controversial battle between unions and other labor organizations who might want to ensure the protection of workers, and the honor system for customers, no matter the type of business, may not be good enough, right?
And the governor mentioned part of the reason that this is taking so long to get an announcement is they are actively negotiating with some of these labor unions to try to work through some of those issues, Phil. All right, Phil, thanks so much. We'll get back to you hopefully when we get some more news.
Learning lots by the minute. All right, thank you, Phil.